Understanding catalyst efficiency below threshold bank 1. Causes and fixes. If your vehicle has triggered the catalyst efficiency below threshold bank 1 code, it indicates a problem with the catalytic converter on bank 1 of your engine. This error means the catalytic converter is not performing efficiently, which can lead to higher emissions and reduced engine performance. Let's break down what this code means, its causes, and how to fix it. What does catalyst efficiency below threshold bank 1 mean? The catalytic converter is responsible for reducing harmful emissions by converting pollutants like carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, and nitrogen oxides into less harmful gases. The catalyst efficiency below threshold bank 1 code appears when the catalytic converter on bank 1 fails to perform its job efficiently. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine where cylinder 1 is located. The onboard diagnostic system detects the issue using oxygen sensors before and after the catalytic converter. If the downstream sensor shows readings similar to the upstream sensor, it suggests the converter isn't functioning effectively. Causes of catalyst efficiency below threshold bank 1. Worn-out catalytic converter. The most common cause is a failing catalytic converter. Over time, the internal structure of the converter can degrade or become clogged, reducing its efficiency. Engine misfires or running rich. Misfires or an overly rich fuel mixture can send unburned fuel into the catalytic converter, causing it to overheat and lose efficiency. Faulty oxygen sensors. Malfunctioning oxygen sensors can send inaccurate data to the ECU, leading it to misinterpret the catalytic converter's efficiency. Exhaust leaks. A leak in the exhaust system near bank 1 can interfere with the oxygen sensor's readings, triggering this code. Oil or coolant contamination. Oil or coolant entering the combustion chamber can coat the catalytic converter's surface, preventing it from working effectively. Symptoms of catalyst efficiency below threshold bank 1. When this issue arises, you may experience check engine light cell. This is the most obvious sign, often accompanied by the P0420 code. Poor fuel economy, a failing catalytic converter, can cause the engine to work harder, reducing fuel efficiency. Loss of power. The vehicle may feel sluggish during acceleration. Increased emissions. The catalytic converter is essential for reducing emissions, so its failure can lead to higher pollutant output. Rattling noise. If the internal structure of the catalytic converter is damaged, you might hear a rattling sound from the exhaust. How to fix catalyst efficiency below threshold bank 1. Inspect and replace the catalytic converter. If the catalytic converter is worn out or damaged, replacement is often the only solution. Ensure you choose a high-quality replacement compatible with your vehicle. Check the oxygen sensors. Test the upstream and downstream oxygen sensors to ensure they are functioning correctly. Replace any faulty sensors to restore accurate readings. Address engine performance issues. Fix any engine misfires, vacuum leaks, or fuel system problems to prevent unburned fuel from damaging the new catalytic converter. Repair exhaust leaks. Inspect the exhaust system near bank 1 for leaks and repair any cracks or damage. Clean the catalytic converter. In some cases, a catalytic converter cleaning product can help remove minor deposits, improving efficiency. However, this is not a long-term fix for a heavily damaged converter. Preventing catalyst efficiency below threshold bank 1. To avoid this issue in the future, perform regular maintenance. Keep your engine running smoothly with routine tune-ups and timely oil changes. Address check engine light quickly. Don't ignore misfires, oxygen sensor issues, or other performance problems that can harm the catalytic converter. Use quality fuel. Poor quality fuel can increase carbon buildup, reducing the efficiency of your converter. Why it's important to fix this issue. Ignoring the catalyst efficiency below threshold Bank 1 code can lead to more significant problems. A failing catalytic converter can cause increased emissions, reduce fuel economy, and even damage other engine components. Additionally, if you live in an area with strict emissions regulations, a failed emissions test could prevent you from legally driving your car. Addressing the problem promptly will keep your vehicle running efficiently and reduce its environmental impact.